Hello and welcome dear students. I am Nandlal Singh, your mathematics mentor, Bhagavad Vidyapeeth, Chhapra. Students, today I am going to start a new chapter, mensuration, chapter 16. At first, in mensuration, we are going to read about area of trapezium and a polygon. Chapter 16. Maths. At first, we are going to introduce the chapter. Recall the following formula in the area of different plane shapes which you have already learned in our previous classes. Now just a recall of these shapes. First, we are going to talk about rectangle. A polygon in which opposite sides are equal. So when we are going to talk about area, we are going to calculate the region occupied by these shapes. So here opposite sides are equal, therefore area of rectangle is rectangle length into breadth. Now second, square. A polygon in which a polygon in which a square all sides are equal, therefore area is equal to side square. After that, we are going to talk about parallelogram. A polygon in which opposite sides are parallel. Sorry. Opposite sides are parallel and equal also, but by definition we are going to say opposite sides are parallel. AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. When we are going to talk about the area of parallelogram, therefore the formula is base into height. Height is also known as altitude. Now triangle. Sorry. Triangle is a polygon made of 3 line segment. Now when we are going to talk about the area of triangle, so this will be 1 by 2 into base into altitude या height, you can say. Now equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangle are those triangle equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle are those triangle in which all three sides are equal. Now the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. After that we are going to talk about the area of circle. All these figures are come in the polygon, but circle is not a polygon because it is not made of line segment. Now we are going to talk about area of a circle. A space occupied by this figure, it will become in the form pi r square, where r is equal to radius of the circle. So these are the formula which you have read in previous classes. Now we are going to talk about area of trapezium. A polygon, yeah, we can say that a quadrilateral in which one pair is parallel and one pair is non-parallel. One pair AB is parallel to CD, but AD is not parallel to BC. Such type of quadrilateral is called trapezium, and this is the height of trapezium. So when we calculate the area of trapezium, area is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of the parallel side, this is the symbol of parallel sides into distance between them. We can say that height. Now we can write distance between these two parallel lines. Yeah, we simply call as height. So this is the formula of area of trapezium. Now on the basis of that, you can solve exercise 16a. In 16a, it is given that the first question is find the area of the following trapezium. In this case, we are going to calculate the area of a trapezium in which heights, parallel sides are given. Now talk about question number 1a. Height is 7 centimeter. Parallel sides is equal to 8 and 10 centimeter. Now we are going to calculate the area. Area is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Yeah, we simply can say height 1 by 2 into sum of parallel side is 8 plus 10 and distance between them is 7. 1 by 2 into 18 into 7, that is equal to 63 square unit. Square centimeter है तो it will become in the square centimeter. Here we can write as centimeter square. Now this is the formula by which we can determine the area. Now question number 2, similarly you can do B, C, D. Question number 2, a garden is the form of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 40 and 22 centimeter and perpendicular distance between them is 12 meter. Find the area of the garden. So simply we are going to utilize the formula of area 1 by 2. Sum of parallel sides are 40 and 22 and distance between them is 12. 62 into 12, 62 into 6 square centimeter. You can see that this is the formula we are going to utilize. Now do the question, remaining question in your homework. Now we meet in the next video for solve more questions. Thank you.